The shares plunging after that slowdown in Latin America, the Caribbean, and the U.S., talking about the potential weakness in the U.S. consumer, also talking about the LATAM being their bigger growth area. You combine that with the green on the screen we're seeing in the likes of BP, for example, makes a very interesting market trade. Buybacks seem to be the story in the oil space right now. Let's dive into both big stories. Bloomberg Sabah Meddings joins us around the table alongside James Harrant, who we'll get to in a moment. There's a lot going on here. Bear with me, but let's start with the drink space. Let's start with the negative, because we are journalists at the end of the day. We got to start with the doomsday. This is fascinating to me because we had Heineken come out yesterday and tell a similar story about that consumer weakness. How much of this is drink specific?
Well, I mean, they're both obviously quite different companies. Heineken very focused on beer, Diageo very focused on spirits. Obviously, it sells Guinness as well. What you've traditionally seen is as consumers have perhaps switched away from beer, companies like Diageo have benefited. What we saw today is this whole move to premiumization that you've seen with Diageo is actually kind of coming back to burn them a little bit, because there is that real cautious consumer. They don't want to spend as much. And if we look at the US, volume's down 4% for Diageo in its biggest market, and a big falls come from tequila, which has obviously been a great growth for them. We saw Casamigos, one of their brands, down 22%. So people are definitely spending less. They're kind of running down what's already in their cabinet at home. And then you're seeing retailers order less because they don't want to get stuck with these big inventories. So it's really interesting. And also, like you say, the forward look, there doesn't seem to be any sign of this kind of picking up. It was quite a stark commentary we have from the company today.
Yeah, and I found it fascinating because, of course, we just heard from Deborah Crew when she was on the program with us. She was talking about, and I've never heard a drink maker really talk about this, but interest rates affecting purchasing ability for a thing like spirits. I've never made that connection before, but she makes a crucial point in that's kind of the part that's eating into their bottom line, and that the pricing pressure is so large that they don't actually have that headroom. That's something we heard from Heineken as well. So what gives first, the volumes or the pricing?
Well, I guess that it's a balancing act, isn't it? They kind of have to decide, do we push up pricing to sort of protect our margin, or do we hunt for volume? I think it's going to be an interesting one to watch in the coming months as they try and work out that balance. But definitely we are seeing volumes fall. And yeah, as we saw that sales fall as well. So it kind of looks like they're losing both at the moment.